How to fix the Windows laptop turning off when unplugged even with the new battery. Hey guys, and welcome back. Here are some of the steps that you can apply to address this issue. So to get started with, first option we have to change the advanced power settings. In order to do this, you have to press Windows plus R to open one tab, then type in power cfg.cpl. Now you have to press enter to open the power options, and once that is open you will see the option called as change plan settings. Tap on it, then click on change advanced power settings. Under this option you must see the processor power manager. Expand it. Set the maximum processor state to 25% for on battery. Then you have to click on OK and make sure to restart your computer. And this should probably fix the issue. If it does not, let's move on to the next step. It is to run the power troubleshooter. In order to open the troubleshooter, right click on the change button or start button and go to settings. Once you open settings, you have to click on system and then navigate and select the troubleshoot. Scroll down for the other troubleshooters and find power and click on run to start the power troubleshooter. This should also probably solve the issues. Likewise, the third step or the other method would be turning off your laptop and doing the hard power reset. So for this, just disconnect the charger and remove the battery. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. Reinsert the battery and plug in the charger. Turn on the laptop and check if the issue is resolved. If it is still not resolved, you can try the method 4 as well. For this, update the battery drivers. To do so, you have to search for device manager on the search bar and hit the enter button. This will ask for permission, make sure to tap on yes. Now once the device manager is opened, navigate to the battery devices or the batteries. Now choose on your battery driver and right click on it to select the update driver. And this should also probably help to fix the issue. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.